one of the absolute joys of coming to Greece has to be that they can do some fantastic things with the ingredients that they have. I mean, here I've got these lovely potatoes that have been sort of parboiled and then they've been rolled in olive oil, feta cheese, which is just my absolute favourite. Everybody who knows me knows how much I love this. When you come to Greece, it's a different kind of taste. It's more authentic. It's beautiful. And then we've got these stuffed peppers, which have been stuffed with rice and herbs. And the chef here has very, very kindly given me the recipe, so I'm going to be popping it up on the website. But what's good is they really know how to do vegetarian food as well. So if you are a vegetarian and you're thinking of going to a country and you don't know where to go on holiday, then I can certainly recommend Greece, and especially the island of Rhodes. Here they do a lot of growing of their own foods, and then that comes into the hotels. And then so what you're getting is a lot of local fresh food. It's absolutely delicious. So don't be afraid. When you're on holiday, please don't just go to the chips, don't go to just the pasta and everything else. Try some of their dishes, because you just don't know what a taste explosion they are until you actually eat them. So be adventurous. Go and try the local foods. Go and try proper, authentic Greek food. You will not be disappointed, and I'm sure you'll be wanting some of the recipes to take home and cook yourself at home. Right, you lot can skedaddle now because I'm about to eat my dinner.